Hello friends, coming to you from 9 Webster Hill Court in Clarksburg, the greater subdivision, Clarksburg Ridge, Aurora Hills nearby. Lots to like, great location. We're close to Harris Teeter, close to the Clarksburg outlets, lots of shops nearby you can walk to, different parks, you can ride bikes, trails, lots to like. You're close to 270, we're off 270, close to Shady Grove Metro, great commuter location, but a lot to like in this home. We've got hardwood floors, we've got fresh paint, there's new carpets, there's a renovated basement. You get an area for a bonus room, rec area, family area, full bath downstairs. You've got 4 bedrooms upstairs as well, including a renovated master bath, a primary bath shower. Lots to like there. But this is a wonderful home, almost 4,000 square feet total. You've got a detached garage, lots to love. Come check us out. If you or anybody else you might know has interest, let us know. We'd love to take care of you and yours. Thank you for tuning in.